it is tempting and easy for us to begin interpreting church teaching according to our whims and fancies, or even according to our benefit, preference, convenience, and advantage. When a certain church teaching is not to our liking, some of us begin to question why such teachings are there in the first place, and some even begin to try and circumvent such teaching. For example, when it comes to the Ten Commandments, how many of us have tried to interpret the Ten Commandments according to our liking? For example, you see a mango hanging just slightly outside the fence of your neighbor's garden. We are told in the Ten Commandments not to covet or steal. But when we see the juicy, ripe, and deliciously looking mango, would we adhere to the Ten Commandments, or would we begin to make excuses to take the mango? In today's reading, St. Paul tells us to keep to what is written. St. Paul was referring to the scriptures and to the written teachings that were handed to the Christian community at Corinth, because the Christian community at Corinth were beginning to interpret the teachings for their own convenience and advantage, especially where such teachings seemed too demanding and affected them personally. What St. Paul was doing was to help the Christian community at Corinth to come to their senses and to help them grow spiritually according to what they have been taught. What about us? Are we willing to stick to the teachings of our Christian faith? Or have we begun to pick and choose what is pleasing or convenient to us and change or ignore teachings which we do not agree with or find uncomfortable? May we not stray from true and proper Christian teaching and help others to do the same as we strive to grow spiritually and grow closer to God.